Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you what the Minting Now section of Compass does and how you can use that to your advantage. So to navigate to this, you can just click Collections and then click Minting Now. So based on the period that you have selected, this will display the collections with the most amount of mints during that period. So if you hover over a collection, it'll give you a little bit of information about it. It'll tell you how many tokens are in the collection, if it is revealed or not, and give you a few relevant links. Next, it will say how many mints have happened during the period that you have selected. Next is the total mints, so this is the total amount of mints that has happened in the collection to this date. It lets you know how many unique minters or unique wallets have minted the collection within the period that you have selected. It tells you the average price that they paid for the mint, and if you hover over that, it tells you the average gas that they spent. This tells you the amount of mints that have happened per hour for that collection since its release. And if there is a rabbit next to it, that means it's minting fast. Turtle means slow. The Z's mean very slow. And there's also a little flame icon that means it's minting very fast. Next to that, you have the date that the collection first minted. So that's all of the information that is displayed on this page, and this can be useful because if there's a collection that is coming out that you're aware of, say it's a stealth mint, and you don't know when it's going to mint, but you want to try and get in, if you have a general idea on timeline, you can watch this page and it will show up as soon as the collection starts minting, it'll rise to the top if there are enough mints to move it there. And you will then be able to mint the collection just by doing a simple hover over it, click the contract to go and mint from contract, or click the website and go mint directly from the website. So that's everything that the Minting Now section displays and how you can use it to your advantage. Hope you guys enjoyed.